Tonight, we celebrate Manchester's nightlife with our 200th walk through its lively streets. The city is a tapestry of music, culture, and energy, from the buzzing Northern Quarter to the stylish Deansgate clubs. Each neighborhood offers surprises, local bars, street art, and performers adding to the vibrant scene. As we wander, you'll experience the city's heartbeat, neon lights, laughter, and the rhythm of the night. Whether you're a visitor or a resident, this walk captures Manchester's unique nightlife spirit. Join us on this journey through a city that never truly sleeps, where every street has a story to tell. Welcome to another exciting night in Manchester. Tonight, we continue our journey through this vibrant city, exploring its streets, bars, clubs, and hidden gems. Manchester's nightlife is a unique blend of history, music, culture, and energy. Every corner tells a story, and every street is alive with movement, sound, and color. Our walk begins at the bustling Piccadilly Gardens, a central hub that perfectly captures the city's blend of tradition and modernity. The square is alive with evening activity, people heading to dinner, friends meeting before a night out, and tourists capturing the city's charm in photographs. The town hall and surrounding historic buildings are illuminated, casting reflections on the wet pavements, and street performers entertain passers-by with music, magic, and visual performances. The atmosphere is lively yet welcoming, offering a perfect introduction to the night ahead. Heading north, we enter the Northern Quarter, Manchester's creative and bohemian district. This area is filled with narrow alleyways, colorful murals, and vibrant street art, each piece reflecting the city's cultural heritage and modern artistic flair. Independent cafes, bars, and boutique shops line the streets, while neon signs illuminate entrances, inviting exploration. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee, pastries, and international street food mingles with the cool evening air, enhancing the sensory experience. People stroll, take photos, and enjoy live music, creating an eclectic and lively ambience unique to this district. Our first stop is a historic pub with classic charm and a vibrant atmosphere. Inside, wooden beams, vintage decor, and warm lighting create an inviting space. Patrons enjoy craft beers, cocktails, and traditional pub fare while a live acoustic band plays in the corner. This fusion of history and contemporary nightlife encapsulates Manchester's spirit, a city that respects its past while embracing modern entertainment. The pub hums with conversation, laughter, and music, creating an environment where people connect, share stories, and enjoy the evening. Continuing on, we explore several live music venues that showcase Manchester's rich musical heritage. Bands and DJs prepare for performances, while crowds gather outside in anticipation. Each venue offers a unique experience. Intimate spaces allow for close interaction with performers, while larger halls provide immersive audio-visual experiences. The city's music scene is diverse, reflecting its historic contributions to global music. The streets are alive with anticipation and excitement, and the distant sounds of instruments, voices, and electronic beats hint at the entertainment waiting inside. Next, we arrive at Canal Street, the heart of Manchester's LGBTQ+ nightlife. The district is vibrant and inclusive, with rainbow-colored lights reflecting in the canals and illuminating the streets. Bars and clubs spill music into the open air, attracting a diverse and energetic crowd. Outdoor seating areas are filled with conversation, laughter, and clinking glasses, while DJs inside maintain a continuous flow of music. Canal Street embodies Manchester's spirit of acceptance and celebration, creating a safe and welcoming space for everyone to enjoy. Deansgate Locks is our next destination, a modern hub of nightlife combining sleek bars, stylish restaurants, and lounges. Industrial chic architecture, glass facades, and ambient lighting define the area. Outdoor terraces offer spaces to socialize, while indoor venues pulse with music and energy. Patrons enjoy cocktails, fine wines, and global cuisines, creating a multisensory experience that complements the city's vibrant streets. Deansgate Locks demonstrates Manchester's ability to merge sophistication with energy, appealing to a wide variety of nightlife seekers. The streets themselves tell a story of Manchester's past and present. Cobblestones, brickwork, and historic facades coexist with neon signs, contemporary art installations, and modern architecture. Street performers, buskers, and small live acts add character and vitality to the urban landscape. The combination of sound, color, and movement creates an immersive experience, engaging visitors in the city's narrative. Walking through these streets, one can feel the heartbeat of Manchester, a city alive with culture, energy, and history. Approaching Spinneyfields, the city's upscale nightlife district, the atmosphere changes subtly. Rooftop bars, elegant lounges, and fine dining establishments dominate the streets. Stylish patrons enjoy cocktails while taking in panoramic views of the city, and music, ranging from ambient jazz to contemporary hits, enhances the sophisticated environment. Outdoor seating areas provide warmth and social interaction, while indoor spaces offer intimate experiences. Spinneyfields demonstrates Manchester's versatility, offering both high-end elegance and the energy typical of its nightlife. Quiet corners and serene spaces also exist within the city. Canal-side paths, hidden gardens, and rooftop terraces provide places to pause and reflect. Reflections of city lights on water, combined with the distant hum of nightlife, create moments of calm amidst the urban energy. These pockets of tranquility balance the vibrancy of Manchester's streets, reminding visitors that nightlife is as much about appreciation and reflection as it is about entertainment. Historic pubs continue to dot the streets, offering intimate spaces where locals and visitors alike can enjoy conversation, drinks, and live performances. These venues bridge the past and present, connecting patrons to Manchester's cultural and social heritage. They are living museums, filled with stories, music, and laughter, preserving the city's identity while offering modern enjoyment. Culinary experiences are central to the city's nightlife. Street food vendors, late-night eateries, and fine dining establishments provide flavors from around the world. Aromas of grilled meats, spices, baked goods, and sweet treats mingle with the evening air. Dining options cater to every preference, from traditional British fare to international delicacies, ensuring a holistic experience for those exploring the city at night. As the night progresses, clubs and venues reach their peak energy. Music pulses through streets and interiors, lights flash and sweep over dancing crowds, and the atmosphere becomes immersive. Manchester's club scene is varied, offering electronic, pop, indie, and jazz experiences. Dance floors are filled with movement, while VIP and lounge areas provide exclusive spaces to socialize. Neon lights, lasers, and reflective surfaces amplify the visual and auditory spectacle. Manchester nightlife is more than drinks and music. It's a cultural and social experience. Architecture, history, art, and entertainment converge to create a city alive with possibility. Each district tells its own story, from the historic pubs and bohemian quarters to modern lounges and rooftop bars. Exploring these areas at night allows visitors to connect with the city, its people, and its identity. Tonight's walk highlights the diversity and energy of Manchester's nightlife. From quiet corners to vibrant clubs, historic pubs to modern lounges, the city offers endless experiences. Every street introduces new sights, sounds, and encounters, ensuring that no two nights are ever the same. Manchester invites exploration, connection, and appreciation for all who walk its streets. As Commentary 5 concludes, the city remains alive, dynamic, and full of stories. Manchester's nightlife offers immersive experiences that engage all senses, spark curiosity, and foster connection. From neon-lit alleys to historic pubs, live music venues, and serene canal-side spots, every moment provides discovery. Thank you for joining this journey, and remember, Manchester's nights are full of adventure and excitement waiting to be experienced.
عشان كده انا كده
Thank you for exploring Manchester nightlife with us tonight. From lively streets to tucked away corners, we hope you felt the city's pulse. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures. Stay tuned as we continue discovering the neon-lit streets and unforgettable moments of Manchester after dark.